Isa na naman ngang magandang mensahe ng isang 18 ang atin pong ibabahagi sa inyo na mula kay Rom Kalamayan. Mula sa kanya, narito ang kanyang naging pahayag. You know, an artist is truly great when they don't hide behind massive stages, flashy effects, or overproduced performances, but instead choose to stand on pure talent and confidence. That is exactly what SB19 did. With the release of the Simula at Wakas Kick-Off Concert album, SB19 probed once again why they stand where they are today. No grand productions, no excessive effects, just raw, honest vocals, real emotions, and a live concert experience captured exactly as it was meant to be felt. And the result, all 19 tracks topped the charts today. Not just locally, but the album also claimed its place on global charts, marking another historic milestone for the group and for P-pop as the first ever concert album release. Releasing a concert album takes courage. It means trusting your voice, your music, and your bond with your audience. SB19 didn't just trust it, they owned it. And 18 is lucky enough to have witnessed this world-class concert firsthand, a moment that deserves to be remembered, cherished, and replaced forever. Because some moments deserve to be replaced forever. This album isn't just a collection of songs, it's a statement, a reminder that when artistry is real, it doesn't need embellishment. From Simula to Wakas, this era is already making history, and SB19 is just getting started. Congratulations, SB19! The world is listening. Isa nga sa matinding na-establish ng SB19 ay ang kanilang fanbase na sobra-sobra ang pagmamahal sa kanila at laging nakasuporta. Kaya naman tuwing magre-release ang SB19 ng kanila nga pong mga albums or mga products, nandyan ang mga fans upang sila ay suportahan, dahilan kung bakit mismong ang SB19 ang naglaban-laban, kanta mismo nila ang naglaban-laban sa isa nga pong chart goals. Wow, grabe. Sabi nga natin, mismong sarili nila ang tumalo sa kanila. 'Di ba? Anong masasay niyo about dito? Dahil tuwang-tuwa naman ang mga 18 sa nasabi nga pong Simula at Wakas album. Kasama silang nandoon. Thank you for watching. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Please like, share, and subscribe.